In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play How Lucky by John Prine.
To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Classic John Prine, How Lucky, recently recorded, fairly recent, with Kurt Veal and John Prine together. And I decided today to go back to the original John Prine version. And by the way, thank you so much for subscribing. It's been great hearing all the comments and people checking in. So please keep it up, and if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe and comment on what you see and any ideas you may have. This one, we're going to capo up to the 4th fret. I was just discussing it with my buddy Jason here, and it just sounds more country sometimes in the C form. You can do it lots of different ways, but it's in the key of E, but by capoing up to the 4th fret, obviously we're doing a C shape. This one, it has the F chord in there where I was joking about the ouch chord, but it really is no big whoop. What I'm doing here is I'm gonna keep it really, really simple, because I think in this song, as I listen to it, there's very little embellishment. There's a little harmonic in there, just kind of a 2-beat, maybe upright or simple bass and drums. So this one, the chords are C and then F, which I'm playing with my thumb over. You can play it that way, but I wouldn't recommend it on this song. Or you can play a partial. We've talked a lot about partials. It's an easy way to hit an F chord without, really stretching out too much or like that. But if you can't hit it like this, it works. And then you got a G chord, and that's it. It's a 3-chord wonder. Okay, so that's great. The good news. It starts out with a C to F, C, G, C, F, C, G, C. Now, other than the little solo that happens in the middle, that is the form of the song. That's the way it goes. What I want to show you here is, if you're a beginner, no problem, just play the C like this, nice big fat C with your 3rd finger like I've shown you before on the 3rd fret of the E string. So we're just going to do a strum rag, F, G. Now what I am doing with my right hand, as you probably noticed by now, and there's several ways to do it, I'm kind of alternating between the C and the G note, in this case 3rd fret A string and 3rd fret G string, so off of that. Now if that's a problem for you, don't even worry about it. You can just strum it like that. But if you can, I call them target notes. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just gets that rhythm going, that country feel, right? Same thing in the F. Now with the F, you're hitting the D string and the A string, okay? 3rd fret. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be, And then in the G, just don't even worry about it. You can walk up from the G chord. It's a classic country move. 3rd fret E string, open A, 2, 3 on the A, and you're back at your C. Okay? So that's the verse form and the chorus form basically. Now let's take it to the solo, shall we?
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
All right, here's the only part of the song that changes. As I mentioned, it has a little harmonica solo kind of thing, and it goes to the F, back to the C, F, C, again, F to C, then it stays as the C. Now, you probably noticed I did a couple of little embellishments there, so I wanted to show you that. So when you're going from the C to the F chord, you might want to, especially if you're playing just on acoustic or with a couple of buddies on an acoustic guitar, you could go a little walk up from the C, from the 3rd fret on the A string, open D, 2, and then that lands you on the F. You've heard that before. String. Let me see if the close-up, little slow motion. So I've got the F chord in there. This is where having your thumb over or doing a partial is even easier. You can just worry about those the high 4 strings, or even just the 3 strings, the D, the G, and the B. You can do a those little embellishments, that little do the same thing in the C by hammering on the D string, 2nd fret, and you can always go from the G again. You can do that walk up I just showed you. So let's hear that solo. So that's How Lucky, the original version by John Prine. Again, you can hear many different versions. The one with Casey Musgrave is also cool. He's done a couple of duets, obviously Bonnie Raitt, and most recently with Kurt Vile before he passed. So we miss you, John. Great songwriter, and I hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.